There is a folk art called the Madhubani art. It comes from Bihar. So today, let's make a Madhubani painting. So turn to page 44 on your Art Maestro Art and Activity book part 5. For this, we will use colored gel pens to make it appear bright. Draw pen strokes neatly with different color pens. You can follow the reference picture or you can use your own choice of colors just as you like. Do you know, Madhubani is a traditional Indian folk art made on canvas, cloth or handmade paper. It was painted using natural colors like turmeric, pollen, lime, indigo, red sandalwood, flower juices and leaves, and also mud and cow dung. Gel pens take time to dry, so be careful and try not to smudge it. And our Madhubani art is ready.